Hey Inara, do you want to go for a run? You going for a run? Good collar. Good girl. Okay, can we? Hey, ready to go off lead? Come on, come on. Come on, girl. You can do it. Come here. Come on. Good darling. Good girl. Yeah. And that's enough. He just nearly ran into a small family with a baby going down that narrow trail there, which is a bit hard to tell from there, but it's up a pretty steep hill and with a very steep cliff over the side. Anyway, my name's Brad and this is Inara, and we had so much fun last year making a little video, 12-second trout, which I'll drop here now. You stay home. Yo. Cheers. Okay, and we're back. But we figured, hey, there's probably a lot of this place that you guys don't get to see, and especially with the current climate, you may not get to see for a little time. So we're always out and about in the wilderness and doing a bit of fishing and a bit of camping, and just in general looking for those places that you're just not going to find in the brochures. So if you'd like, hit a subscribe and we'll start getting some videos up of our adventures as the summer kicks on, and let's see where this goes. Now, I'm going to go see where Inara's gone. Here she is. Now, my editing skills aren't the greatest, so Inara does already have a little Instagram hashtag, which I'll drop here. Look at that, it worked. So, come along for the ride and let's see where this goes. We're going to go get some coffee. That's definitely on the cards now. So, catch up with you guys later. Let's just have a look. Hold still. Hold still. Let me see. Oh, got some salt. I know. That'd be awesome. Thank you. I'll come back in and pay for that. I'll just go and deal with her.
No worries. Can I get you?
Yes, please. Oh, damn. One piece of strawberry? Okay. Lay down. Lay. Back. Lay. Okay. You want coffee? Yeah? You can't have coffee. I'm sorry.